So what I'm going to do is I realized I went halfway and then I wasn't recording it. So let me go ahead and delete all this stuff and show you how we clean data here at Richmond Terrace Media to market to motherfuckers. So let me go ahead and delete that. All right. So what happens is you go to LinkedIn, and actually let me just bring LinkedIn over here really quickly. LinkedIn, you get your data, you download the data, and then it allows you to download archive. So if you have a Mac and you don't have Excel, you get this terrible app called Numbers. And what you need to do once you download the archive and upload it on your computer or open it on your computer, you need to click this, do Command A for Mac, Command C to copy all of that. Then you go to your LinkedIn workbook, and I could have swore I just deleted that. Okay, I didn't delete it all. So let me just quickly do this. All right, so let me go to the top. So whenever you're doing this process, you always want to go to the black line. That means this is where we left off, and this is going to be important in a little bit. So let me just Command Shift V. Let me move these things. Go to the bottom. Go over to the top. Let me. Oh my goodness. Let me Control Command C, copy, then delete, and then let me go over here and do that. Nice. All right, cool. So then let me move this over here. And move this over here. All right, cool. So that's how we do that. So now, what I now want to do is create one more to the right, just to give me some space so I don't feel claustrophobic. And now I'm going to teach you how to work formulas. So there's a couple ways you can go ahead and work this formula, right? So the first thing you could do is you can just drag the formula above and just drag it down and it'll do it. But for the purpose of this video, since this is training, I also want to show you the value or how to come up with the formula itself. So let me go ahead and leave it. So that's one way to do it. There's nothing wrong with doing it like this. But so the search formula basically means you do equal search. No, I don't want to do it. So I want to teach you equal search. And then when it says search for, we're going to search for a comma, right? Because we want to search for this comma. And you have to put that in quotation marks. We want to search in this cell right here, E266, comma. And we want to start at the first character. Boom. Right. So that's how you come up with the formula. So I could just take this, and then once you do it one time, you could just grab and click that, and it'll do it for the rest. So that's not good enough, right? Because all this formula is telling us is that, okay, the comma is in the 8th character. Okay, so what do we do now? Now we want to do left search, right? So what you can do, and you can't actually do it in this one because I cleaned out the formula. As you can see right here, there is no formula. So now we have to add in equals left. Then you can add in the search feature, right? -1. Boom. 1. Boom. Okay. That formula did not work how I wanted to. Give me a moment and let me fix that. Okay, so I totally fucked it up. So let me fix it for you really quickly. So it's left, but you want to choose the actual data you want to get from, comma, number of characters, you want to do this, but you see how the comma's still in there? We want to -1 now to get the date. And we want to do it one more. Okay, cool. Boom. Boom. Nice. And then we want to click that. Now what we want to do is copy this down. Now go into this column right here. And we want to paste special. Paste values only. Now, instead of having the formula, we have the values. Now, what we want to do is put we want to do is hide this. We want to hide. Actually, what we want to do is take this last name, Monica. We want to do Sherman Mendez. Actually, yeah, we want to hide this. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you what we'll do. Hide this. Boom, hide it. Hide that. Now, what we want to do is date. Is we want to filter by this A to Z. So we have the number format, number, date. See, it thinks it doesn't know it's a date. So now we want to do A to Z. Here we go. Now, what we do is we go to the database, we go to the tracking sheet, go to the bottom of the tracking sheet. Monica Renee is the last person on this sheet. So we go ahead, go to data cleaning. We go here, Control F or Command F, Monica Renee. Boom. Monica Renee. Boom. So everybody after Monica Renee, we're gonna pull. And so everybody after Monica. So Sophia. Boom. Now we're gonna go ahead to the tracking sheet. We're gonna go ahead after. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to go back here. Copy, paste. Well, that's annoying. Cool. So what I would then do here is I would just do this. That's annoying. Boom. Then I would take the dates as well. Data cleaning, I'll take the dates of this woman. Boom. And I would put that in here. Tracking sheet. Boom. Boom. There we have them. Here we go. Perfect. All right. Now company and title. I'll go ahead and take that. See, it says email, but it's giving me some bullshit. Anyway, go to Renee, go one down, Sophia. Oh, it's giving me the, got it. Here we go. There we go. Boom. Nice. So then I would just take this. Oh, fuck. Go. Email. Boom. Perfect. Perfect. Nice. All right, cool. So this is how you do it. This is how you insert a, bunch of garbage. This is how you clean it using search and left plus search. This is how you copy, paste it, and put it into the tracking sheet and organize it in a way where your outreach manager can then go in and get their profile links, get their messenger links, and nurture them. So that is how to data clean your LinkedIn list.